online classes really replace the hands-on experience of a preschool? I mean the real hands-on learning, like activities, rhymes, crafts, clay, books, and textured materials.
We all want what's best for our kids, don't we? Then why compromise on preschool education?
Flintoclass is simply the perfect preschool program at home. So convenient, so attractive, and most important of all, there's so much learning from the safety of home.
While the learning is completely hands-on, you also get access to pre-recorded sessions by experts to keep kids mentally and physically active.
What I like most about Flintoclass is how it follows a play-based curriculum where children learn by doing a variety of activities.
The curriculum is very well researched and is developed in such a way that children learn and are able to apply the concepts in real life.
Online preschool is like online tennis classes. It just doesn't work until you experience it hands-on.
So why wait? Think preschool, think Flintoclass. Book a seat for your child today.